Ever feel like your website is a hidden gem that no one can find? Frustrated with watching your competitors hog all the traffic? It's time to change the game with Semdash, your ultimate SEO research platform. Here's the deal. You've got competitors, sneaky digital ninjas who seem to get all the traffic, their websites packed. Your website, tumbleweeds, virtual tumbleweeds. The problem is SEO can be like trying to crack a secret code without a decoder ring, from comparing keywords and analyzing backlinks to generating content ideas. And what does that all lead to? Stress eating dozens of cookies at 3 a.m. Trust me, I've been there. Enter Semdash, the all-in-one SEO research platform that does the heavy lifting so you can focus on turning your website into a traffic magnet. Here's how it works. First, competitive analysis. Ever wonder what makes your competitors so annoyingly successful? We'll break it down for you. Identify the gaps, seize the opportunities, and boom, you will be the new king of the rankings. Second, keyword gap. Compare and conquer. Discover exactly where your competitors are outperforming you and where you can get an edge. Say goodbye to keyword FOMO forever. Third, backlink research. Turn those elusive backlinks into your best friends. We'll help you uncover who's linking to whom and why, so you can join the ranks. It's like matchmaking for SEO, but way more fun. Fourth, keyword research. Need the perfect words to boost your visitors count? We've got billions. Yep, with a B, of keywords ready to supercharge your SEO. From long tail to short tail, you name it, we've got it. So why choose Semdash? Because we're not just a set of tools, we're your partners in achieving real, tangible results. More traffic, higher ranking, and a website that finally gets the attention it deserves. Don't let your website dreams turn into digital memes. Hop on board with Semdash. It's time to climb the search rankings, attract more visitors, and